The world's biggest cruise ship just launched in 2024 and it's already breaking records. Meet the icon of the seas. It's over 200 feet long, weighs 800 tons and can carry nearly 10,000 people. That's more than 3 times the size of the Titanic. This ship has 8 neighborhoods, 7 pools, 6 water slides, and even a park on board. There's an ice rink, surf simulator, and over 40 restaurants. Insane. Built by Royal Caribbean for over $2 billion. This floating mega resort is now sailing the Caribbean and turning heads worldwide. Would you live on a ship like this? Because this one's not just big, it's the world's biggest. Follow for more record-breaking extremes.